ओम गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुर्पदम् मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्य मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम गणपते नमः। ओम गणपते नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो नारायण। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते सत्यानंदाय। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम सं नो मित्रस्सं सं नो अरुणः सं नो भवत्वर्यमा सं नो इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः सं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वाय त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मावतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकवन्दनात् मृत्युर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकवन्दनात् मृत्युर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। शिवोऽहं 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 अमरात्मा सच्चिदानन्दमय हूँ। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानन्दमय हूँ। शिवोऽहं 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 अखिल विश्व का जो परमात्मा है सभी प्राणियों का वही आत्मा है। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ। अमरात्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ। अमरात्मा है मरणशील काया सभी प्राणियों के जो भीतर समाया। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ। जिसे सहस्र काटे न अग्नि जलावे बुझावे न पानी न मृत्यु मिटावे। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ। है तारों सितारों में आलोक जिसका है चंदा व सूरज में आभास जिसका। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ। जो व्यापक है कण कण में है वास जिसका। नहीं तीनों कालों न हो नाश जिसका। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ। अजर और अमर जिसको वेदों ने गाया यही ज्ञान अर्जुन को हरि ने सुनाया। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ। अमरात्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ। शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं। राम 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 सीताराम 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 सीताराम। Sita Rama Radhe Shyam Rama 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 Sita Rama Sita Rama Sita Rama Jai Hanuman Sita Rama Sita Rama Sita Rama Jai Hanuman Sita Rama Sita Rama Sita Rama Radhe Shyam Rama 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om. I'm happy, all of you. Today I have a little bit sad news. One of my best friend in India, his name is Swami Ram Shrupananda. He was in Uttarkashi. He disciple of Swami Chidananda, a good friend of mine, many years. He lost his body today. But this body is nothing but rented house. God has given us this body to use, special purpose. God has given the mind. God has given everything to us. And one day we have to leave this body. The body is rented house, rented car. When you rent the car, you have to give rent of the house, rent of the car, and give to back of the car. God has given this body to use. The body is changeable. We are small, children, middle age and old age. Constantly body changing, but the purpose of this body, this car, to use properly. We have the body, we have the mind, and we have the soul. We have inner soul. You cannot see soul, but you can feel. Soul means Atma. That's why you feel pain, unhappiness, sadness, nervous, cold, hot. All feeling come because we have the soul within the body. Once the soul live, the spirit live in this body we don't keep with us. Because this body composed 5 elements. We have earth element, water element, fire, air and ether. This composed of 5 elements. When I saw him, this body Ram Shrupananda, he was in Uttarkashi. Uttarkashi, feet of Himalaya, where the Ganga starts. He has a wonderful ashram there. So the body, and he take his Mahasamadhi while sitting. And I say, I cannot talk with him. Because his body is there, but the divine soul is left out. One day also we left. But we attachment, physical attachment, the body, we feel that sensation, unhappiness, sadness, because we never see that person. It happens. 2009, my Sadguru Satyananda Paramahansa left his body. I don't feel any that thing because I know he is going. One day we are also going. You are going. Nothing permanent. We love too much the body, but we have to love the Lord, Almighty Lord. You love your mother, father, brother, teacher, friend, car, home, everything in love. That attachment, that emotional attachment. Sometimes they go before, sometimes you go. But permanent Almighty Lord is within you, with you. He never go. He's everywhere. Not a single place the God is not there. Kan mein body hai. Each and everywhere that God exists. But we never take time to understand where is existence of God. The sun come every day, Surya Devata, Surya Narayan. The sun gives the light. Night we don't have sun, the darkness. When the sun come, all the automatically darkness remove, the light come. So within the light of joy, light of bliss, light of anandam, light of total bliss. So, purpose of life. This body has given God to send you to realize that Atman, the God, and that is called Sat Chid Ananda. Sat, the truth, always truth. Chit, the light, Ananda, bliss, and that is the God. It's within you, with you every second, in the flower, in the tree, the plant, the human being, animal being, everywhere existent. But we have to feel the presence of the Lord within you. The Shanti is hidden within you. Just an electric cable, the electric current is there. Only you see the cable, you touch the cable, but the electricity used different way. You run the computer, fan, refrigerator, so many things, computer, but that electricity is hidden, the current, the power is hidden, you cannot see. The same as, my dear friend, the existence of the God, we have to feel, and that is called bhakti, cosmic love. If you develop that pure bhakti, presence of the God within you, then fear disappeared. Within light there is no darkness. The fear, unhappiness, sadness, worries, preoccupation, expectation disappeared when the light of joy within you, the purpose of human life. God don't find, if you cannot find the God within you, you cannot find the God in any temple. No can show, no can the God. The Ramakrishna Paramahansa, great saint in India, Calcutta, he has a disciple called Swami Vivekananda, before his name Swami Narendra. And Narendra went to his Guruji, Ramakrishna Paramahansa, was the devotee of Mother Kali, the Shakti, the Durga. So Narendra, Vivekananda went to his Guruji and he said, Guruji, have you seen the God? Have we know the God? Yes, I see the God. Can you show me the God? Yes, I can. You can see the God. I see, you can see. Then both of they went, he take him, because ashram of Paramahansa is Ganga Sagar in Calcutta, where the Ganga meet to the ocean, the Mahasagar. He take both, went to the ocean, and they said, now stand here. Narendra, you can stand. And both are standing there, and now Ramakrishna put the hand on the head. He said, my Guru give him blessing. He putting, and he go inside the water. He more dipping more putting dip. He says, Swamiji, I feel I'm going to die. He putting his head. Again he's pushing down. Then finally he bring him up his body. He says, Narendra, how you feel? I feel just like I am dying. I feel I'm going to die. That is the experience. That's the God. I feel I'm going to die. The experience of the God is not showing, but feeling. Then they come back to the temple again. Divine Mother Kali temple, they come both. And he says, Narendra, come with me. And take this prasad, the food, in front of the Divine Mother, and she will eat, and you will see her. And they both went to temple there. Narendra put his temple, and Ramakrishna Maharaj closed the door, and he was holding the food and put in front of the Divine Mother Kali. Close your eyes. His body is shaking. Palpitation come. He cannot open the eyes. And when they opened, he saw the mother come and take the food. He cannot see that one. Then finally his door is open, food was not there. And he said, Master, Guruji, I feel Divine Cosmic Mother eat the food. I can believe now. I can feel the faith, the experience. The God is living being, existing everywhere. But we are attached so many extent things, so many things in the mind, thinking, family, room, name, fame, money, old age, all the problem, too much content. We don't have in a 1 second empty mind. We don't have 1 second connection, the higher connection with the Almighty Lord, that we have feel distracted, unhappiness, sadness. My dear friend, take little time, open your heart, complete surrender. When she put a sugar in the milk, sugar found disappear and become a sweet. I-ness, minus, ego, dissolve the cosmic consciousness and feel Lord is with you. Even the body went there, but the body will die, but the soul. It happens with my Guru Satyananda Paramahamsa. It happened Paramahamsa Yogananda. It happened everywhere. To realize yoga you learn and practice, that's nothing wrong, everything doing. But most important, yoga bhakti, the devotion, cosmic love, that is the yoga. Emerge in the cosmic consciousness. Then fear disappeared. I'm also seeking the part. I have a lot of experiences by traveling Himalaya. I travel intensely every part of Himalaya. Unknown places I went there. I cannot tell my word. The purpose of yogic student, not only asana pranayama meditation or teaching and practicing, but find out the center of love within heart, that total devotion, the bhakti, the love. And that love, not condition. You don't ask anything to God, you don't go. But most of the people go to the temple with a list, demand with the God, and you don't get it in a happy. They go to the Guru, the Swami, ask, I need this, I need this. My dear friend, you don't demand anything. The mango, give the mango, mango don't eat mango. Cow give the milk, cow don't eat her milk. The nature gives everything to us. Man is the only being selfish. The different people, selfish and selfless. Self is the same, fish and less. Learn to be selfless, pure love. Then whatever the thing you do, it becomes worship of the God. Religion, different religion, they show the different path. Different river has to emerge in the ocean. Paths are different, goal is the one. So many paths, but goal is the one. The purpose of human life. I became a Swami, not teach yoga, not be sannyasi, not renunciation, but to understand the divine mystery of the Lord, and that the purpose of every being before leave the body. When I saw this morning the body of Swami Ramswarupananda, he was a good friend, and I have planned with him to go the same place. He left his body in Ganga. Because Uttarkashi is the feet of Himalaya. He had the ashram there. I have planned to go with him. But he left. But I feel his body left. But his love and the friendship, inner communication, always there. So we have to learn, increase your divine bhakti, the love. Because we have so many desires, so many ambition. We want, it never happen. Person who don't get married, he want to get married. A person who get married, he want to divorce. Person don't have children, they want children. And the children is not behaving good, he not happy. Happiness never comes. Sensory happiness bring temporary pleasure. Moment the peace gone, that disappeared. The senses, listening, looking, talking, all the senses, touching. The sensory pleasure are temporary pleasure. But the pleasure within you come. Then you feel that today I dedicate my effort for the bhakti, for the love, for the God. And this path show the Gurudev, the Sadguru. The Guru never asks you money. They don't control you, command you. I went to Swami Satyananda. He never asked me single penny. I said, I give my body, my mind, my soul, and to serve you unconditionally. The life of sannyasi, the life of household, your householder, your responsible wife, children, family, work, society, collection. But life of sannyasi, the whole world, my family, you are part of my family. And we work to giving without expectation. I'm not interested what you send me, the donation, that nothing. I have donation given by the God. I never had problem anywhere. I opened so many ashrams. In India, 4th ashram I established and gave the Guruji. Here I established many countries. I travel more than 60 countries. Learn selfless love. Selfless love. Unconditional love. God is witnessing. God is every second with you. That kind of yoga we teach okay, we practice okay. But bhakti, the cosmic love, that we have to think. There are 3 words called Chita, Chinta and Chintan. 3 words in Sanskrit. Chita means the dead body. Dead body don't breathe. But while we are sleeping, we breathe. Who help her to breathe? You are sleeping, you are taking breathing out. Who make that moment of breathing in and out? You are not died. Dead body, don't breathe. The prana, God give you that energy. Free, it is free. We don't appreciate it. When you breathe, each second paying the rent of this house, the body. Breathe, the prana is free. The breath is free. Appreciate it. When you talk, when you hear, we listen, the walk, think every moment you do without prana, you cannot do. That man, Swarupananda, this morning he left, he cannot talk, he cannot listen because the electric current is disconnected. Your house has a current of electricity. Yesterday what happened? I was watching something and 10 o'clock electricity went out. 10 to 12:30 there no electricity yesterday in ashram. Television there, telephone there, but electricity is not working freezer, not working telephone, not your computer. So without electricity we cannot use this one. That person yesterday happened. 5 cars come from Florida for house and they repair and finally 1 o'clock we got electricity. This happened. Our current coming from the God. The mother, father make you effort to give this body. But who give the body? Who give 9 months? Who make that energy there? Even your body come out of womb of mother, the God is there. My dear friend, reflect, think. That's why I say Chita, that body, Chintan, Chinta, worries and preoccupation, and Chintan, analyze. 3 words, Chita, Chinta, and Chintan. 3 Sanskrit words. Originally, yoga was teaching Lord Krishna to the Arjuna in Sanskrit. There's no other language. Sanskrit, the mother language. Now we have hundreds of languages. We learn most of Sanskrit language. So chinta, too much worries, and body, dead body, chita. Dead body we burn, we cremation, but too much worried. Living body we burn. So learn to chintan, self-analyze. Every day take your time, analyze. Who am I? What is my nature? What I'm doing? I'm collecting millions of dollars, millions of house, hundreds of children, many wife, many room, many things. I'm happy? No. Atma Chintan, self-analyze. Every day take your time. Listen to your voice within you. Voice of joy, voice of courage, voice of confidence, voice of willpower. And you feel, even 1 second, you listen to your voice within you. Listen to the divine messages. Cosmic sound come within you. You develop confidence, courage, and willpower, and your peace is within you. You cannot see, but you feel. But God can see when they emerge in divinity. The yoga of love, bhakti. Bhakti mein shakti, shakti mein yukti. Bhakti called Shanti. Everyone wants peace, everyone wants Shanti. But they find the wrong place, the wrong thing. Wrong place. So, the purpose, if you want peace, about Shanti, look within, feel within, and just enjoy the life. Life is short. Before, people used to stay yogi time thousands of years. Now, generally, age limit be 100. People also go to 100, go to 80, 85. Every day, how many hours you sleep? How much year you are sleeping? Suppose your age is 100 years. 8 hours you sleep. How many years you go to sleeping? How many years you take to talking, to eating? So many things then. How much hour you have to contemplate the God and analyze the God, feeling the God. We are unhappy because we are not giving time about that person who is living within you. The Almighty Lord resides within you. So that's why Atma Chintan, self-analyze. God is there. Peace is there. Only you are not there. You are not there. We are awake, but we are sleeping. We look, but we are not looking. We hear, but we are not hearing. We are walking, but we are not aware. Awareness of the Almighty Lord. The word Ram, the reverse Ram, Mara, means the die. There was a great saint, his name is Valmiki. He was a terrorist. And that terrorist called Valya. That terrorist, he has a wife, he has children. His job is to steal, to kill, and give the family. That was his job. And living the daytime in the cage. One day, one Swami, his name Narada, one Rishi went to this cage and he saw what you're doing. I said, I am terrorist. My job to kill and steal and give my family. They're surviving. I cannot come out, but police can catch me and they put me in jail. He said, if you do that bad karma for family, they share your bad karma, your bad deed. He said, go your home and ask them, if I kill, if I steal and give all the thing, my negative karma, my negative, so you share. His wife and children, all the family said, that is your problem. It doesn't matter what you do, you killing or stealing, your terrorist work, that is your thing, you're giving us, that's your duty. I don't share your deed. Then that person, he became a guru, Narada, and he said, now Mara. Mara means kill. So repeating mantra, Mara, 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 become Ram. Then he realized that divine Ram, Mara, Mara. You think, repeat that mantra, Mara, 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 become Ram. And that Valla become Valmiki, the great saint. He was the guru of Rama. He read, before to come Rama, incarnation Lord Vishnu to Rama, he life his whole story. The bad deed can be converted in a good deed if you dedicate total surrender to the Lord God. This word is nothing, temporary, 50, 60, 80 years, my dear friend. The word is valuable. We give too much energy in material thing collecting. Name, fame, money, my mother, my father, my teacher, my this one. But when you die, they come with you? When you die, they come with you? No. Permanent God. God where? Air is God. Fire is God. Wood, there is a fire. But we needed fire to wood. Air, fire. We have food in the, you eat the food and who digests the food, all the thing. The fire is there within you. Your heart, how function. Who help you to see, who help you to hear, listen, to walk. Energy is there. The divine wisdom available for you. The connection is ready up to you to switch on. You off your switch. You don't know that one. Under the guidance of Sadguru, learn basic thing. How can experience, how can realize the God. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, the great saint, his guru is Vivekananda. His guru is Yukteswar Guru. Swami Shivananda, his guru is Vishwananda. Swami Shivananda, disciple Shivananda, Shivananda, disciple Satyananda is my guru. Chidananda, Sachidananda, many disciples. All the Swami call Ananda, means the bliss, that your nature bliss. So find out a center of peace, discriminate between good and bad, do the right karma. God has given the good mouth to talk properly, not to destroy peace of no one. Don't listen bad thing, don't look bad thing. All the news coming about television, through the computer, through newspaper, that all garbage, that make you sick, weak and fluctuated. Before going to sleep, don't use that news. Don't use news. Just look necessary thing and feel I am worshiping the God every moment, every second. Then your karma, your dharma, your action will be fulfilled. You're a good person. Every person is a good person. The yoga of joy, yoga of love, yoga of happiness. That type of yoga should be practiced, that I teach. and smiling. Smiling in the heart. Look your face and show smiling face. What is? Nothing. Shri Ram, 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 Ram. This is the song. Take my light, let it be. Concentrate so loud to thee. Take my hands and let them move at the impulse thy my love. Take my moment at my day. Take my feet and let them move. Take my voice and let them sing, always only for my King. Take my lips and let them be, feel the message will be of thee. Take my silver and my gold, not my then I should be. Take my intellect that we use. This English one. All things convert. Every day I give homework to you. Write a wonderful poem. Send your best friend. Write a wonderful comic. Send them. Send the good message. Don't waste your energy talking with the mouth negative thing. Someone hit you. Someone dislike you. You love them. Ahimsa parmo dharma. Not to hurt no one. People hurt you. You don't hurt them. If dog going to bite you, are you going to bite him? If dog come, he bite you. Are you going to bite him? My dear friend, give good treatment to no one. Change the action. Change your way of thinking, talking, thinking. That's the real yoga. But God is witnessing. God is every second with you. You take the food from mouth. Mouth do the work and mouth help to give the food in the stomach. Once the food comes in stomach, who digests that food? Expulsion, distribution. Unnecessary toxins go out. Water go out. Who make the digestive system? Your heart work. Who help you the heart palpitation? Man cannot make it. The eye is the energy there, reflection. God, image, make the man perfect being. Visualize you, yourself as a self-Atman, and problem will disappear. We don't give sufficient time. I don't know, I was talking up to 45 minutes, what you understand or not. What I say, what I talking, contemplate. Each one give 30-second, one thing, what you understand, starting from Yoga Shanti, what you understand, 30 seconds.
Well, I understood everything, so especially that we have to live in love, true love, not let ourselves and our minds to worry.
Thank you, time out, thank you. 30 seconds. Now Jennifer, 30 seconds.
Thank you, Swamiji. I learned don't be attached to your physical body or money or anything worldly. Just love. That's all that matters in life is love.
Thank you, time out. Lilavati.
Adion, Swamiji. I understood to be good and to love everyone and to take time every day to quiet the mind and connect to the higher.
Thank you, time out. Devananda, 30 seconds.
Thank you, Swamiji. I understood that to take time to go to the heart every day and practice the love. And when someone treats us or dislike us, to give love back, to not engage in that.
Thank you. Once you eat a food, it take food come from esophagus to the stomach, and 3 hours the same food in digestion come to stomach and then abdomen, and digestive system work. What you eat within 8 hours always distribution assimilation. It distributes for the kidney, pancreas, liver, all the blood to the heart. That digestive system who make it. So this procedure there, you are listening. Whatever listening, you are putting information in the head. Then you analyze and try to practice. What you learn, we analyze. What you don't like, you give up. What light bring practice. Change the quality of life. The teaching of the Guru, the master of the book, that change quality of life. Ram Rahim, 30 seconds.
Hariom Swamiji, what I immediately understood is the book knowledge is good, but if you really want to progress in life, the art of devotion, bhakti yoga is the most important aspect we should practice.
Because mother and you, the special relation, you are not physically there. My mother is not there. She left his body in 92, 89, 79, 1980. She was 92. But she is the goddess. She don't know how to read or write. But she gave permission age of 13, 14 to join with my Guruji. She is a divine mother, cosmic mother. So relation mother, cosmic mother, she is a form of Durga, give the strength. She is a form of Lakshmi, give of knowledge and wisdom. Not Lakshmi, give wealth and prosperity. Saraswati, divine mother, give the wisdom and knowledge. The divine mother or biological mother, she gives us, she narrates us everything. But with the mother, that all the Shakti with her, that's why we grow. With children born, every faculty. Who make the wonderful eyes? Eyes only exactly, ear this side, mouth here, heart, brain. This is the example of the God exists with us. Karuna Devi, tell her 30 seconds.
Hola Swamiji, Hariom, contenta de estar aquí con todos ustedes y tengo la mente en blanco. Estoy solo escuchando y sintiendo.
Ya recibe su jardín, me mandaste foto de flower, me gusta sus flores de su jardín. Tú tienes linda jardín y ese flor de su casa, su jardín me recibe todo el día. Gracias.
Qué bueno que llegaron a tiempo.
Ok, llegaron, sí. Rodrigo, 30 segundos, habla algo.
Hariom Swamiji, today I understood that to experience God, all we need to do is practice ahimsa and love everything and everyone. And
Gracias.
find
Thank
God.
you. Thank you.
That's it.
Thank you. Carmen, are you there? In Spain? Mallorca? Hello? You're in Spain, no? You have microphone?
Hariom Swamiji.
Hari Om. Tell something.
Yeah, I understood that we have to be mindful. We're gonna leave this body soon, so you need to work harder on being connected to the Divine Mother.
Thank you. Lakshmi. Hello, Lakshmi. Are you there?
Hariom, Hariom.
30 seconds.
Body's temporary. God is always with us.
Thank you. Thank you. Socorro. Socorro, 30 segundos, mi niña. Hola, Madre Divina.
Swamiji, ¿cómo está usted? Gracias por estos momentos que nos dedica. Son muy agradables y llegan a mí, lo más profundo de mi corazón. Muchísimas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Dios te bendiga. Amén. Now, ahora esa Yamuna Devi era cantar una canción muy bonito de la I am the river, you are the sea. Come on, Yamuna Devi, cante bonito, niña bonita. Come here close and canta. Canta bonito,
I am the river, you are the sea.
I am the river.
You are the sea. Let your love flow right through me. I am the river, you are the ocean. Come and fill me with devotion. I am the bird, you are the sky. Let your grace flow as I fly. I am the earth, you are the sun. I am many, you are one. I am the darkness, you are the light. Send your wisdom into my night.
I am the tree, you are the fruits. Eat and my mango fruits. You know, the fruits, plant the tree, but you cannot plant the fruits. Do an action, but don't expect immediately fruits. So what you're learning, you take your time to bring peace. Don't come instantly. Instant coffee is okay. Instant tea is okay. Instant food is okay. Eat the food, you feel good, you go. Ice cream you eat, instant you feel sweet. But peace take time. Doesn't matter 50, 60 years. But peace is there. Peace is there. God always there. But we don't feel. Divine Mother, the Lakshmi, Saraswati, Durga, the Kali. When your difficulty for the money, Om Sri Mahalakshmi Namaha, money will come. Next knowledge, Om Sri Saraswati Namaha, Divine Mother, Saraswati. Om Durgaya Namaha. If you need strength and courage, remember Durga. Om Sri Durgaya Namaha. If you need love, Om Sri Krishnaya Namaha. Om Sri Ramaya Namaha. Harihi Om. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya, the Lord Shiva. Karuna Sagar, ocean of compassion. Lord Narayana, he incarnated Vishnu and Rama. This is not telling me, this is Purana, Vedanta. Thousands of years teaching. What I am telling, this is not invented mind. Speak the truth, any condition. Satyam vadan dharmanchara. Any condition, speak the truth. Don't lie when you're teaching and talking. People read the book and talk. No. Realize thing. My 50, 60 year experience, I'm transmitting my love is coming. So, remember, God will give you. Rama, divine manifest, Lord Narayana. Now, Narayana, Surya Narayana. Sun is the first god. Surya. Chandra, the moon, the form of the god. Surya Narayana. Narayana, 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 oh. Lakshmi Narayana, 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 oh. Guru Narayana, oh. Lakshmi Narayana, oh. Shiva Narayana, oh. Narayana, 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 Om Lakshmi Narayana, 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 Om Guru Narayana, 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 Om Bhajmana Narayana, 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 Om Narayana, 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 Om Lakshmi Narayana, 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 Om. If you don't time to kirtan, when you take a bath, while taking bath, you repeat the mantra, Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guru. Guru is Brahma, Guru is Vishnu, Guru is Shiva, and Guru is Paramatma. Brahma, who create, Vishnu preserve, and Shiva, who eliminated negative thing. That's why called Guru Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Param Brahman. This is a tradition, thousands of years. my dear friend, you are so wonderful. All you are so pure soul. Within you, very energy. Use that energy for purpose. Don't complain, I am sick, I am weak, I am negative. Think positive, act positive. Don't waste your energy talking negative. No dolor de cabeza. No preoccupation. Alegría, felicidad. Think positive, act positive. Be good, do good. Be humble, be simple. The teaching of Swami Shivananda. Ashtanga Yoga of Swami Shivananda. Be good, do good. Be humble, be simple. And meditate, love, give, serve and realize. That is Ashtanga Yoga of Swami Shivananda. Swami Shivananda is called Ocean of Compassion. All you are special soul will come to us. Every week, this is joining. You are not away, very close to me. You are not different countries. She is speaking for Spain. I called this morning 911 looking for Salon. And Salon called me. I said, where are you? I said, I'm waiting to receive Daniel in airport. Daniel is coming from Spain today. You know, and you are coming 19 with Amber. Thank you. Welcome to America. Come. We miss you to America. So all you are very special person. Now I pray Shankaracharya teaching. Adhiguru Shankaracharya, he realized the God. He gave his body age of 23. He was a great guru, Shankaracharya. Age of 8, he started his path. He established 4 big ashram. Shankaracharya is the Adya Guru. I pray with him. Sri Harim Paramanandam Upadeshta Rameshwaram Vyapakam Sarvalokanam Karanam Tam Namamayam Aparokshanubhutirvai Prochate Mokshashitaye Sadbhireva Prayatnena Vikshaneya Muharmaho Sadbhireva Prayatnena Vikshaneya Muharmaho. Shankaracharya, Adya Guru. We are all follow Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya, when age of 8, he went with his mother to Mother Godavari. He's from south. He went to take bath in the river with his mother. And when he was swimming, the crocodile hold his body, and only his body can see only up to here, only can see. And he said to his mother, Mother, give me permission to go follow my path. If you don't give permission, then the crocodile eat me. And his mother said, doesn't matter. I want to see you. I will leave you path free. You can do sannyasa and find out the Guru and follow the path. But he said, only I will come to when you die. I will come to last ceremony to you. I will come. Shankaracharya left and he gave all the teaching to Shankaracharya. Very powerful. Find out about Adhiguru Shankaracharya. You will find all the things. He realized, age of 23, he left his body by cautiously. Badrinath, Kedasar, he went. The river Ganga, he left his body. 23. So short time, he had done so much work. Knowledge and wisdom he gave the world. Thousands of years that knowledge there. So Shankaracharya is Adya Guru. Himself Lord Shankara, Lord Shiva. Everyone is very special. You are the goddess. You are very special. Use your time. Time is money. Time is gold. But use properly. Do your karma, do your dharma, do your action, but one purpose, to realize the God. So sing with me. I am the peace, I am the joy, I am the peace, I am the joy, I am the peace, I am the joy. Oh God, give me peace, oh Lord, give me joy. Oh God, give me peace, O Lord blissful, O Lord merciful, I am the peace, I am the peace, I am the peace. My time is out. I have only 30 seconds left. I don't know what to do with that 30 seconds. Time and space, there is no timing. So, contemplate. Don't worry anything. Worry will become fear. Put a light. When the sun comes, you don't need to put the light. But night, you need the light, there is no darkness. So light of joy, light of courage, light of willpower, light of confidence. Be good and do good. Listen good thing. See the good thing. Negative thing come, problem come and go. But you are always there. I am so happy. Even I saw that news of my friend Swami Ram Shrupananda. He left his body this morning. He was a wonderful soul. He was from Orissa, where my first ashram was there. We met. His guru was Chidananda. It's a very wonderful thing. So, I pray for him. 11 time mantra all together. Trambakatra, give my love to his divine departed soul, Swami Ramakrishna, there, so Ram Shrupananda. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarko Bandhanat Pratyor Mokshi Yamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarko Bandhanat Pratyor Mokshi Yamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarko Bandhanat Pratyor Mokshi Yamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarko Bandhanat Pratyor Mokshi Yamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarko Bandhanat Pratyor Mokshi Yamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarko Bandhanat Pratyor Mokshi Yamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarko Bandhanat Pratyor Mokshi. Om Shanti Shanti Hari Om. This mantra given me with my first guru, my father. Trayambakam, age of 5, I learned the mantra. My guru is my father. And he was the best. I got a wonderful father, wonderful guru, and wonderful all of you divine friend. You're all my friend. You're my family. I pray for you. I want to be happy, happy, happy. No sadness, no worry. Crying is good. I cry every day. I cry. Not for worry, for the God. Crying that all the things come, water come, joy. Every day cry, oh God, give me joy, give me peace, give me anandam, and let my light do. And then you change the quality of life. I don't have any word to say. My boss is calling in the kitchen. It's closed within 10 minutes. If I don't go in the kitchen, 10 minutes my kitchen, and I don't have food up to tomorrow. So I have to go to the kitchen. My boss prepared nice food for me. Paramahansa Guru Punya Kama Tum Lo Pranam Sat Koti Hrudaya Ka Paramahansa Guru Punya Kama Tum ज्ञान गगन के केंद्र इंदु तुम ध्यान चक्र के मध्य बिंदु हम बिंदु बने हम सिंधु बने तुम अंत नहीं तेरे परिचय का तू ही गीता तू ही रामायण व्यास तुम्हें वैसे पाहे तू ही शिवम तू ही सत्यम ज्ञान विवेक महंतम तुम हो परमहंस गुरु पुण्य काम तुम लो प्रणाम सत कोटि हृदय का परमहंस गुरु पुण्य काम तुम लो प्रणाम सत कोटि हृदय का तू ही शिवम तू ही सत्यम तू ही सत्यानंद परमहंस गुरु पुण्य कामतुम्। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु शान्तिर्भवतु पूर्णं भवतु मंगलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकवदनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृता। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। नाहं कर्ता हरिः कर्ता विग्रहम् नाहं कर्ता गुरुदेव कर्ता विग्रहम्। सत्यं शरणं गच्छामि योगं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुः च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। Thank you so much. Lot of love and blessing. Happy. Enjoy.